Well, good morning, everybody. This is the video for ENS Corporate this morning. Again, all these videos are to give somebody due diligence that we are who we are, the value of having a network operations center. Well, that couldn't be more important right now. What you're working on is you're helping the client with their content for church, right, Arby?
Mm-hmm.
So can you click on preview and explain what's going on and how quick and easy the solution is, but okay. Hit refresh again. So for anybody watching this video, this is a little more of a complex layout because they have all of the content they want displayed in the foreground, plus they have content they want displayed in the background. What's happening is the background is coming over above the foreground, right? So if you want to fix it and explain what the solution is, and we're going to look at it after you fixed it, okay, Arby?
Yep. So this is the background, and make sure the background is index is 0 or empty. You can put in empty so that the background is the back in the back of the layer of the module. You know.
Z index, the higher the number is, the more the content will be forward, right? So an
Yes.
background and index of 1 would be on top of that, 2 would be on top of that. They accidentally, I think, just put that in there as 5,000 because I think meant to do that as the scheduled timing. Okay, it was just an error. So I want to refresh once you fix that. So anybody watching this video, yeah, what you're looking at is the design is intended to have a background video and then everything floating on top of it, but the client just accidentally made the background video completely in the foreground. So that was a pretty quick fix with having a network operations center to give some support. So this goes live today, correct, Darby?
Yes.
For the church.
Yes.
Job well done.